Hello and welcome back to my channel Breathing Gratitude. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach and Mentor. And today I want to speak to you about a topic: everything is possible. Now, we can do what we choose to do if we believe in ourselves. We have the ability to create anything we set our minds to. Anything and just about anything is possible if we believe in our abilities. What matters most at the end of the day is believing in what makes you happy. Do what makes you happy. Drive your passion, because when you work where your passion is, you are not spending a single day working because you love your work. You are the master of your fate and you are the master of your soul. Believing in yourself helps you to keep moving forward. So, how do you go about making everything possible for you? To start off with, write a list. Make a list of things you have overcome and have accomplished over a period of time. Make a short list of all that you have accomplished, overcome, which has given you a great sense of feeling. Keep adding to your list of accomplishments. Having a visual in front of you of a list which is in place, you will always see it very empowering, because the more you see your achievements unfold in front of you in a visual form, you feel very satisfying. It helps you change your perspective. It turns your negative self talk into positive self talk. Focus on positive things in your life that makes you feel happy. Move away from the negativity. Use the swish technique in NLP to replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts. Speak your daily affirmations of what you are grateful for. And while you speak your daily affirmations, also write down your affirmations on a daily basis. Challenge yourself. Create opportunities to prove to yourself that you have the ability within to accomplish great and greater things in every area of your life where you consider it to be a weakness. So challenge yourself in those areas of weakness where you come out triumphant. Set goals for yourself, because a goal without a target is a goal without a wish. It only becomes a wish. A goal without a target is only a wish. It's plain simple English. And live up to your own goals. Take a look at it every day. See what you've achieved, how much is left to be achieved, and what you're going to do to close that gap. Live up to your own expectations and not of others, because this is your dreams. Don't make others dream for you. You dream for yourself. Share your dreams, but don't take inputs about your dreams from others, because this is your dream, you've got to drive it. Don't give the controls to anyone. Use your own skills, attitude, knowledge, talent to create your desired life that you want. Because all the tools that you want are available within you, and that's what NLP says in one of its presuppositions. You have all the tools within yourself to create the life you want. Trust and love yourself unconditionally. Never give up. Keep going. Even when the chips are down, keep going. Shift your perspective to begin of being your own best friend. Remember, self-doubt really never leaves you. So there'll always be self-doubt, and it's not something to fear or resent. These doubts are just your thoughts and not your future. So thoughts can change anytime, and so can your future. Be yourself, be pleasant, be polite, be cordial, play hard, and have no regrets at the end of the day. And remember, anything is possible when you believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, and the world around you changes. Be humble, be polite, and have lots of love for the world in your heart. Kindness is never out of fashion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more such videos that I bring to you from time to time. You can also check my description, where you'll find some real important links which may interest you. To register for any of my Zoom sessions and the 3-in-1 Clap Master Practitioner program, do WhatsApp, call, SMS me on 9820413290. Take care of yourself, stay safe, stay indoors, and don't forget to carry your MNS, your mask and sanitizer. Until then, my friends, you take care. Goodbye.